I think today is the best day because today is my birthday, 37th birthday. I decided when I was 30 that I will retire from international cricket when I became 37, and today I announced my retirement, and I'm pretty happy with my career. And thanks to all the fans and the supporters and the BCCI, my coaches. There are so many coaches and my friends, my colleagues. Senior players like Sachin, Rahul, Kumble, Srinath, Saurav, VVS Lakshman, Harbhajan Singh, Zahi Khan, Ashish Nehra, Gautam Gambhir, Yuvraj Singh. There are so many names. MS Dhoni. I played with them. So thank you very much for support and for your love. And if I made any mistake, if I hurt anybody, so sorry for that. So I'm really, really happy that I'm retiring from international cricket.
Sir, how emotionally attached you were with the game, and now you know that you will not be stepping into the field and people will not be shouting Viru, Viru, Sehwag, Sehwag. You will miss those moments?
I think cricket is my passion and cricket is my love. After my retirement, I will stay with the cricket only. Maybe I'll do some commentary or maybe part of some team in coaching staff or maybe some other way, because I cannot go anywhere apart from cricket, because I played whole my life like 15-16 years cricket. So this is the love I have for the game, and I'll stay with the game. And yeah, I will miss the bat, I will miss the ball, and I'll miss everything. But this is the time I thought that I have to retire, and I'm retiring on my time and on my day.
You instilled a fear inside bowlers' mind the way you played cricket, positive cricket, attacking cricket, aggressive cricket, destructive cricket. And even the best bowlers of the world were scared to face Virender Sehwag. Now you think they will relax, thinking, oh, thank God now Sehwag has retired.
No, I played my game, so I know my game better than anybody else. So my funda was to score on every ball and try to hit every ball if I can. See the ball and hit the ball. So my mind was very clear, and I always thinking about positive. I always thinking to how to score runs, how I'll score against fast bowling or spin bowling. So, and that's how I was growing up. When I was growing up, I was playing a lot of 5, 6 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours game, and because of that mindset, uh, because of that positive mindset, I able to achieve whatever I achieved today.
So now, if I look back into your career, 8,000 runs in both the format of the game. You have played over 100 Test match, over 250 ODIs, and more importantly, you're the only Indian to have scored a triple hundred, and you have done it not once but twice. So these are the achievements which even the likes of great Sachin Tendulkar and great Sunil Gavaskar have also not achieved. If you look back, you must be thinking that what I have done so far, not many have done.
Yeah, I'm not looking at this way, because I played the game of cricket, and my role model was Sachin Tendulkar and Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev. They were the stars that time when I was growing up, and I was looking them on television and learning something from them. So yeah, whatever I achieve. So it's past, it's history. It's good statistics, I can say that, but I'm proud that I played for my country, and I played with a lot of legends, a lot of great players, and which I mentioned already: Rahul, Sachin, VVS, Kumble, Srinath, Saurav Ganguly. So they all are great player. So I'm pretty happy with my career. I cannot say that uh, I can achieve more, or I achieve less, or more. So I'm pretty happy with my career.
Indian Indian Test team had fabulous five. Now the last player of that fabulous five has said goodbye to international cricket. So you don't. Now fans will miss those magic days. Those now that it is the end of magic of Indian Test cricket, perhaps.
I can say that I am the luckiest one, so I come in that Fab Five, because I don't think so. I deserve that come in the Fab Five, but there are other players as well, who perform better than me, or maybe they didn't get chance. But I was lucky. Uh,
No,
I was a lucky guy, to play with such a great players, such senior players, and I learn a lot from all of them. And the Fab Five created by media, not by anybody else. So media can do anything. So I'm very thankful to all the players who played with with me, or I played with them. So they helped me a lot, and I learned a lot from them. So I can say that I'm the luckiest guy to play with the legends like Saurav, Sachin, Rahul, VVS Lakshman, Kumble, Srinath, Zaheer Khan. So I'm the luckiest one.
You were the lucky one. Even when Sachin Tendulkar wrote his book, Playing It My Way, all the fabulous four like Dravid, Lakshman, Sachin, and Saurav Ganguly were there. Everyone gave credit to Virender Sehwag, saying that we scored so many runs because the kind of Sehwag, the flying starts, Virender Sehwag used to give us, and that helped us. That gave us the platform to score.
You know, I was a part of the team, and my job was to go out there and give a good start to the team, and that's what I did. And yes, they are giving me credit for that, so I'm feeling really proud. And but you know, whatever they achieved, I don't think anybody can achieve. You know, you look at the Rahul's career or Sachin's career or Saurav's career, so it's difficult to achieve what they achieved. So, but you know, they helped me like I was the younger brother of them, so they taught me a lot of things, how to behave on the field, off the field, and they helped me how to improve my game. And you know, sometimes they compete with me, so who will score more runs in this series. So it was a great competition, a healthy competition in between those 4 or 5 cricketers that time. So I think I'm feeling very proud that I was part of that team.
And since that is healthy competition, but with players of the opponent teams, you have played against the best bowlers in the world and also scored runs against the best bowlers in the world. So when now you remember the rivalries you shared with the likes of Wasim Akram, Shoaib Akhtar, and all the top class bowlers, Brett Lee you played against, Murli Dharan. Now you remember they used to say something to you, you used to get back to them, say something, and then you used to hit a boundary, and then you used to irritate them with your great shots. So now you remember those days that you went on to compete against the best players in the world, and you also performed brilliantly against them.
Yes, you know, whoever playing even now, or maybe whoever played the game in last 10 years, you know, they played with some great opponents, teams or individuals, you know, and you learn a lot from them also, because you will see that how they prepare themselves for before the big game or before the test match or before the one day, and you will learn something from them. And yes, obviously everybody wants to score runs against top quality bowlings, and if you score against like Dale Steyn, Moni Merkel or McGrath or Brett Lee or Flintoff or Hamilton or Shoaib Akhtar or Wasim Akram or Waqar Younis, if you play these kind of bowlers and score runs, so you'll get respect. So I was the lucky one, I can say that, and I played against them and score some runs against them, and because of that I got respect from the team, from my colleagues, and from the media and from the world. And yeah, you know, pretty happy with the career.
What is आपके क्रिकेट जीवन का सबसे यादगार लम्हा कौन सा था?
मेरे क्रिकेट कैरियर का सबसे यादगार लम्हा था जब मैं पहली बार टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेला, क्योंकि उससे पहले मुझे कहा जाता था कि सिर्फ मैं वनडे क्रिकेट खेल सकता हूँ, टेस्ट का प्लेयर नहीं हूँ। तो वो लम्हा जब मुझे टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने का मौका मिला, तो मेरे सामने एक चैलेंज था और उसको मैंने कबूल किया, और लकी था मैं कि मैंने पहले टेस्ट मैच में 100 बनाया। उसके बाद सब लोगों से तारीफ़ हुई और सब उसका टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया। आई थिंक मेरे कैरियर में जो लम्हा रहेगा सदा, जो मुझे याद रखेगा, वो टेस्ट क्रिकेट का पहला टेस्ट मैच है, क्योंकि वही उसी से मैं जाना चाहूँगा।
आप बता रहे हो उस टेस्ट मैच के बारे में जब आपने दक्षिण अफ्रीका के खिलाफ दक्षिण अफ्रीका में शतक बनाया था। सौरभ गांगुली एक कहानी शेयर करते हैं कि कुछ सेलेक्टर जो थे उस वक्त वो कह रहे थे कि नहीं उस खिलाड़ी को हम नहीं ले जा सकते वहाँ, इन कारणों कुछ भी कारणों की वजह से। मगर आपके तब के कप्तान सौरभ गांगुली ने आप पे भरोसा जताया और कहा कि मुझे ये खिलाड़ी दक्षिण अफ्रीका के दौरे में चाहिए और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये खिलाड़ी वहाँ हो और खेले। और उस खिलाड़ी का नाम आज वीरेंद्र सहवाग है। उसने अपने ही डेब्यू में शतक भी बनाया और कप्तान का भरोसा तो जीता ही, बल्कि इनफैक्ट ढेर सारे फैंस भी जीत लिए उस पर।
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने जैसा कहा कि पहले मुझे सिर्फ वनडे क्रिकेटर के तौर पर देखा जाता था कि सिर्फ वनडे खेल सकता है, इसका बैटिंग स्टाइल वनडे के लिए ही सूट करता है। बट कहीं ना कहीं सौरभ गांगुली ने मुझ में शायद एक टेस्ट प्लेयर भी देखा होगा, तो इसलिए उन्होंने मुझे बैक किया, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने की, जिसके लिए मैं हमेशा सौरभ गांगुली का शुक्रिया अदा करता रहूँगा जब तक शायद मैं क्रिकेट से जुड़ा रहूँगा या जब तक जीऊँगा, मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूँ। क्योंकि अगर शायद वो मुझे बैक नहीं करते तो शायद मैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता। अगर टेस्ट क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता तो शायद इतने सारे रन या 100s नहीं बना पाता, ना वो ट्रिपल सेंचुरी बना पाता जो मैंने बनाई। तो कहीं ना कहीं इसमें सौरव गांगुली का कॉन्फिडेंस था मुझ में, जो उन्होंने दिखाया सिलेक्टर के आगे और मुझे पिक किया टेस्ट क्रिकेट के लिए।
हाँ, हम ले चलते हैं आपके उस और ऐसा कोई मोमेंट आपके क्रिकेटिंग करियर में जिसको आप देख के आज सबसे ज़्यादा प्राउड फील करते हैं कि मैंने अपनी कंट्री टीम को ये जिताया, मैं उस टीम का हिस्सा था जो विश्व कप जीती और उस टीम का
ऐसे
हिस्सा
बहुत सारे लम्हे थे जब हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीते, वो भी एक लम्हा था कि हम मेरे लिए कि मैं 3 वर्ल्ड कप खेला, उसमें से एक फाइनल हारे, एक हम लोग जल्दी बाहर हो गए और एक हम फाइनल जीते। तो वो एक लम्हा था मेरे लिए जो सबसे अच्छा कह सकता हूँ। जब मैंने पहला 13 शतक बनाया, वो एक लम्हा था मेरी लाइफ का कि आज तक किसी हिंदुस्तानी प्लेयर ने 13 शतक नहीं बनाया, तो मैंने वो बनाया। एक और लम्हा था कि जो मैंने श्रीलंका अगेंस्ट 201 नॉट आउट रन बनाए और वो हम लोग टेस्ट मैच जीते, तो वो भी गावस्कर के बाद मैं दूसरा खिलाड़ी बना जिसने बैट थ्रू किया। तो ऐसे कुछ लम्हे हैं बहुत सारे, अगर मैं शायद गिनाने लगूँ या सोचने लगूँ तो काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा बताने में। तो इसलिए ये 3-4 लम्हे हैं कुछ जो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहेंगे, मुझे याद रहेंगे।
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे।